Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. Before we get started, I would like to give a big thank you to RARJSM for sponsoring today's video. They did go ahead and send over some PR for me to go ahead and showcase for you guys. So let's get right into it. We went ahead and sent over their 12 color liner reflective glitter gels, and I was so excited because they're so beautiful on the website. I couldn't wait to try them out. I was so anxious to receive these, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm filming with my flash on because I wanted you guys to go ahead and see the full effect of these glitter gels. They're so gorgeous. They're like the best, absolutely best reflective glitter gels I've ever used. And as you can see, you do get 5 extra like replacement liners. So if your brush messes up, then they give you 5 replacements, so that's nice. And here they are numbered. There's no names on them, they are just numbered from 169 to 180, and there's a great variety of different colors. And look at the sparkle that these reflective liner gels have. That is amazing. I've never ever had any reflective glitter polishes, and these are just so pretty. I have tried a few in the past, actually, I take that back, and they were okay, but these are just so reflective. Like the quality of these liner gels is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend you go ahead and check out their link in my description box and go ahead and pick this up for yourself. I'll make sure to leave all the information in the description box below, so don't forget to go ahead and check them out. RARJSM, thank you so much for these. They're beautiful. And I am going to go ahead and swatch these off camera, and I'll come back here in a bit. Okay, so here's how the colors look. I did just go ahead and apply one coat, and they're just so beautiful. I'm so excited to use these reflective glitter liner gels, and there's so many different designs that I wanted to do, but I could not choose. So I decided to go ahead and just like do a rainbow type of set in today's video, and I did go ahead and choose 4 different colors. So to get started, I am preparing to make a 20-piece nail set, and the way I do that is I go ahead and put my 0 through 9 on my nail stands, as you can see, and this is how I stay organized. It starts from the left to the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and I go ahead and do that for the top 2 nail stands, and then for the bottom it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. And this is how I make a 20-piece nail set. And if the nails come with a 24-piece nail set, I just add an extra stand and just add the other nails to that. But for this set, I am using my medium coffin full cover nail tips, and to prepare my press-on nails, I do go ahead and just apply a nice thin layer of some acid-free primer, and then I'll go ahead and let that air dry for about a minute, and then I will go ahead and grab any base coat that I have on hand. It doesn't matter. I like to use Beetles, Born Pretty, Savvyland. I have several, and I will just go ahead and apply a layer of base coat on all the nails, and then I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats of this milky white gel polish from Nail Reserve, and I am just doing 1 coat on camera, so off camera I am going to do the second coat, and I do cure for 60 seconds in between. After I went ahead and applied the second coat and cured for 60 seconds, I am going to go ahead and get started with the nail design, and I do grab 4 different gel liner colors. I should have picked 5, but I just went ahead and picked 4, and I'm just gonna go ahead and outline the edges. As you can see, the sidewalls and the free edge, I'm just gonna go ahead and outline those, and I do just do 1 coat for all the nails. So once I finish, I am gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds to ensure that they're fully cured, and I do alternate the colors. I do go ahead and paint 3 nails the same color, and then I'll move on to the next 3 nails and I'll paint another color, and then I just continue to do that until I'm finished with all the nails. Okay, here's how the nails are looking so far, and I did want to go ahead and start adding some gems, so I am going to go ahead and take my rhinestone glue from Model 1s, and I love this one because it's a no white rhinestone glue, and I will go ahead and apply just a little bit at the cuticle area where I'm going to put 2 gems. I am going to put, I believe, I think it's SS10 on the bottom and then SS8. I still have to get used to the sizes. I really don't pay attention. I just like the shape and then I apply it. So I believe I believe it's SS10 on the bottom and then SS8. And I am going to use my wax pencil and just pick up the SS10 and put that in the cuticle area, and then I'll put the SS8 on top, and I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in the nail lamp after I finish each nail stand. I went ahead and did them off camera, the rest of the nail stands, and the design is just coming together so nicely. I absolutely love the different colors. All of these rainbow reflective glitter colors are so pretty. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a top coat, and I am using my top coat from Born Pretty, and I will just apply that over all the nails, and I make sure that I do not get it on the rhinestones because I don't want to lose that shine. And once I finish applying the top coat, I will go ahead and cure all the nails for 60 seconds. Actually, I do cure them for 2 minutes. I take that back. I cure them for 2 minutes just to ensure, you know, that the rhinestone glue is fully cured, the top coat is fully cured, and they're just absolutely perfect. So I did go ahead and cure for 2 minutes. And then I am going to go ahead and file the free edges off camera. I actually will do that later on. I'm not doing that right now. So I did want to just mention that these reflective glitter gels are just amazing. I highly recommend, again, that you guys just go ahead and check out the link in my description for RARJSM. Their products are so great. They're high quality. I have used their nude gel polishes as a base color for like my French tips, and they get like the perfect coverage in like 2 coats. So I highly recommend you go ahead and check them out. You can purchase products from them on Amazon as well. That's where I have purchased in the past, and I'm absolutely like highly satisfied with RARJSM. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button and leave a comment if you're feeling generous. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.